Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I've done a makeup video. I'm so happy this turned out amazing. As you can see, we're giving simple yet effective beat. Yeah. This is just an update from my last everyday makeup tutorial because it's been over a year and a couple things have changed. So I just thought I should update you guys on what I do now. I use a couple different techniques and I would say one or two different products, but some products still have my heart. Of course, we all have our faves, but if you want to see how to get this look, make sure you keep on watching. First, I'm gonna prime my face using the NYX Angel Primer. I'm gonna use this much and just rub that in. So now that we've primed our face, I'm gonna quickly fill in these brows using the NYX Eye Pencil in dark brown. And I'm just gonna follow my brow shape. So next I'm going to conceal these brows using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Chestnut, and I'll also be using this angled brush as well. I'm just going to apply the concealer directly under my eyebrows and just using this brush to just conceal around them. So now I'm going to do the same on the other side. So now that I have concealed my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this fluffy brush just to blend this all out. So now that we've done with our eyebrows, I'm going to quickly add some more concealer around my dark areas, which is under my eyes and around my lips. I just like to do this step before I apply foundation just so that the base is really basing, it's looking flawless. Okay baby? So I'll be using my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush just to blend this all out. Guys, trust the process, okay? Now I'm gonna apply my foundation, my absolute fave in the whole wide world. If you know me, you know the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation is my baby, okay? This is in the shade IGUACU, and this color was made for me. Like, it was actually made for me. So I apply 4 pumps on my chin, forehead, and under my eyes as well. Using the same brush, I'm just gonna blend that all out, and we'll see if we need to add a bit more. Certain products, you just can't talk too much. The product speaks for itself. Do you get it? Are you with me? I'm not even gonna lie, today I did add quite a lot of foundation, but we move. This is a solid base. There is nothing better than a solid base, guys. It's giving what it's supposed to give. We're gonna move on to highlighting, and I'll be using the Born This Way concealer again. I'm gonna apply a little bit under my eyes, on my nose, and above my lip. I'm gonna wet my beauty blender using the Revolution Cherry Truffle setting spray, just because I can't be bothered to go to the bathroom and wet this under the tap. But usually when I do, I just squeeze this twice under the running tap. Starting with the concealer above my lip, I'm just gonna blend this out. So now I'm going to add another concealer on top quickly. I'll be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade 53N Deep. And I'm just going to apply that in the corners of my eyes. And I'll be blending that out. So now we're going to quickly set this concealer using Sacha Buttercup, and I'll be using my expert face brush again from Real Techniques. What I usually do is dip the brush inside and just tap off the excess and just apply this directly under my eyes first. So this is the first layer of the setting powder, and as you can see, that was just quick, easy and simple. So I'm just going to add another layer on top as well. So now we're going to do the same on the other side. Just going to apply a bit above my lip. On my nose as well. and a tiny bit on my forehead too. Okay, now we just setting everywhere, to be honest. So I just set around my face very lightly. Done. So before we move on to contouring, I like to just leave a little bit of setting powder just in the inner corners of my eye. So I just dip some in. I'm going to tap that off. So we're going to leave that to bake whilst we contour. We're going to bring back that colour to this face, okay? So I've got another one of my babies, the Revolution Foundation Stick in F18. I'm just going to apply that along my cheekbones and on my nose as well. I feel like I'm going to add another layer on top. And using my Expert face brush, as you can tell, this is my favourite brush. I am gonna blend this all out. It's giving, oof, wow, same for the other side now. So now that I've blended out the cheek contour, I'm just going to do my nose as well. And I'm just going to dab lightly up and down. So now we're going to move on to bronzer, and I've got the amazing Fenty Beauty bronzer in Cocoa Mami. And using the same brush, I'm just going to dip some in and apply that above this cheekbone area. I just love how red this is. It's just really giving the summer vibes. Oh, I love it. And now I'm just going to add a bit along my forehead and on my nose contour as well. Now we're going to add some blush, and I've got the amazing Marena Beauty blush in the shade Chocolate. And using the same brush, I'm just going to dip some in and apply that along here. I would say just above my cheeks. Yeah. This is such a pretty color, like, oh, it's so pretty. I love, love, love. Okay, my hair really wants to have makeup on it today, like, seriously. I was feeling to add a bit of the NYX blush in Amber, but I think I might leave it. Actually, let me apply it a little bit. Yeah, it can run. So now I'm just going to lightly brush off this excess powder. So now we're going to go back in again with our eyes, and I'll be using the e.l.f. eyeliner in black. And I'm just going to apply a thin layer of liner, hopefully. So now I'm going to add some mascara using the L'Oreal Mega Volume Mascara. So now I'm going to quickly put some lashes off camera and I'm going to be right back. So I'm back and I've put on my lashes off camera, you know, nice and natural for every day, not doing too much. So now we're going to finish off this look with our lips, my favourite bit. I feel like the lips just bring everything together. So I will be using the NYX eye pencil in dark brown again, the same one I use for my brows, just to line around my lips. So now I'm going to add this pink gloss from Beaute, and I'm just going to apply this in the center of my lips. And now for my favourite bit, I'm just going to add some clear lip gloss on top. This is the end of my look. I told you guys to trust the process, didn't I? This look is just nice and simple, but it's giving, like, you don't need to do too much, baby. Like, I love this so much. But yeah, guys, this was just my quick update makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments what you want to see from me. But yeah, guys, this is it from me. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and remember, it's a more life team each and every time.